we made in these 2 years with our 2 mobile games almost. Yo guys, what's up? It's Alex from GMG Studio. Today we will talk about one of the most interesting things, money. At least I was always interested and wanted to know how much money does this guy make with YouTube or with his apps? And I'm here to answer you this question. We already made a video about the revenue of our first mobile game and many people were interested. Now you probably know that we have developed 2 mobile games and released them for free. Well, actually we released one more app for iOS but without monetization. Maybe this was a fault because it already has over 600 downloads.
I will send you to Jesus.
And this app just took me like 2 days. Well, if you want to learn how to develop iOS apps, let us know in the comments. It's actually pretty easy. But now, let's start. Normally, I would start with our income as YouTubers because our games helped us to become YouTubers and there are 2 revenue streams that are interesting. The first one is sponsored content. A company pays us money to show one of their products in our videos. But we didn't make any sponsored content last year, so we made €0 with sponsored content on YouTube. The second revenue stream is to monetize their videos, but YouTube changed the entry level to become a YouTube partner. You need 1000 followers and 4000 hours of watch time. Well, we are not quite there yet. But we are getting closer and closer and maybe, just maybe, we can fulfill the requirements this year. So we made €0 with YouTube.
Emotional damage!
Most YouTubers are doing Amazon affiliate marketing, so do we, but Amazon told us that we need to get more viewers and paid us about €15 for the affiliates we created. So let's add €15 to our revenue. Just now, while writing the script, I created a new account, so let's see what happens. Now let's continue with our games. We released 2 mobile games for free and we show ads in these games. If you want to play these games and try them out, I will put the links in the description. Our first mobile game, Punjump, was downloaded 187 times on iOS and 223 times on Android, which makes a total of 410 downloads. Not bad, to be honest. We have also released a second game, which is called Catch Every Fruit. The game was downloaded 101 times on iOS and 42 times on Android, which makes a total of 143 times. So, in total, our games were downloaded 511 times. I just realized that the iOS app OKR tracking has more downloads and it was developed in like 2 days. Maybe we should monetize it as well. Never mind, let's see how much money our 2 games made. We made in these 2 years with our 2 mobile games almost $14. This includes all revenue we made with ads in about 2 years. Yes, it is not much, and on every other job we would have made much more money for the time we've spent. But we are still growing, friends. These games introduced us into the mobile gaming market. We learned Unity, made this YouTube channel to show our journey and our struggling with you, and we keep learning and learning. And let's be completely honest. I thought we would have made much more money with our mobile games and that it would be much easier, but it wasn't. And this is the lesson we have learned. It is hard work. Let's keep going. Maybe the next time we make such a video, I can give you much higher numbers. I hope the video was helpful.
Like the video if you liked the video, dislike the video if you disliked the video, subscribe if you want to be notified on our future content. We are also on Instagram and Facebook. Feel free to follow us there as well. And have a great day. Start creating, stop consuming.